How to download song from Suno AI 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So to download song from to Suno AI, you just have to simply open your web link, web tab, browsing tab, and then you just have to simply search for Suno AI, and then you just have to simply click on the official website of Suno AI, and then click on sign in, and you just have to sign into your account. So I'll just use my Google account from here, and this is the ID I have used to create the account in Suno AI. And after logging in, you just have to make sure that you can only download the song you have created. So you have to go to your library and check for the song you have created. So after coming here, you just have to click on the three dot from here and click on the download option from here, and you can just simply click on mp3 download and click on download anyway, and it will start downloading. And if you want to download like WAV file, you have to purchase the pro version of the Suno AI. As you can see, my song has been downloaded from here, and if we click on the file folder, as you can see, this is the song I have created. So that's how you can download a song from Suno AI. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.